Welcome to Teach to Learn Algebra 2 Regents Review video. Today we'll be going over January 2013's short answer questions. The first question we'll go over is number 28, and it deals with number series. So the question is determine the sum of the first 20 terms of the sequence whose first 5 terms are 5, 14, 23, 32, and 41. Now there's a formula that you should know in order to solve series questions, and that is n being the number in the sequence, and that is equal to whatever is determined, whatever determines what the actual number is. So in this case, you see that 5, for example, seems to be 9 times its number, which is 1, right, because it's the first number in the series, minus 4. And if we put it into algebraic form, it's 9n minus 4. And the first thing you should do once you see a pattern is make sure it fits with a majority of the numbers in the thing. Well, it should fit with all of them. We should test it with a majority of the numbers that they provide you with. So if we put 14 in there, you have 9 times 2, because it's the second number in the series, which is 18, minus 4 is 14, so it works. And if you were to go on and check the other 3, you would get the exact same answer. So, in order to find the sum of all numbers, for first 20 numbers in the series, you need to figure out 2 things. You need to know the first number in the series, and you already know that to be 5, and you need to know what a 20 is, right? And so if we plug 20 into the formula above, you get 9 times 20 minus 4, and that tells you that A20 is equal to 176. Once you know what A20 equals, you have to have another formula memorized. Let's undo that first. You have to have another formula memorized in order to do well on the integrated algebra regions for series, and that is the sum of a arithmetic sum. And if we were to write that out, the sum of n numbers is equal to the number of numbers times your first number plus your last number, right, divided by 2. And that tells you that the sum of the first 20 numbers of the sequence is 1810. And that concludes the first question. Follow along for more questions that we'll be reviewing.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.